If you are wondering why you don't encounter any of the 5G functions on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, first of all, you will need to make sure that you've bought the 5G type of this specific device. So if you still have it, grab a box that this device came with and check for 5G mark right here. If you have it, that means you should have all of the 5G settings for this device. Like for example, we can go into the Wi-Fi settings, and then if we refresh the available device networks, sorry for that, we'll be able to see 5G mark next to the networks that does have it. Also, if we go into the mobile networks, we should be able to find the 5G settings right here if you click on a SIM card that also does support 5G. Now, to actually help you with some of the problems if you have a version of 5G of this device but you don't see those settings. First of all, you need to make sure that there's a Wi-Fi settings that does support 5G. Not every Wi-Fi will have 5G mark. Some of them have even two of them, like 2.4 and 5G at the same time. So if you don't have any of those networks nearby, that means you won't get them. Also, for the networks, if you go into the mobile networks and you have your card plugged in and you don't see 5G there, that means your card also doesn't support the 5G, and you will need to contact your SIM card provider to get that 5G. So that is basically everything that I wanted to cover in that video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.